I applied back in 2019 and I went to the admitted students weekend of all the different law schools. And I just remember when I was at YLS, it felt most like where I could see myself being for the next 3 years. I loved the people that I met. Everybody was so happy to give advice and so open and available. I especially loved going to Professor Foreman's house for the brunch, and he had, current students, alum, faculty, staff, and it was just a great way to see especially what the Black community was like at YLS, which was very important to me, getting a feel for the student life at the various campuses that I visited. My main goal has just been to serve my community in whatever definition that entails. At YLS, that's primarily been my affinity groups, and I've loved being able to be part of those. I was on the boards of YLW Plus and FALSA, and I just love being able to kind of be that source of information sharing, particularly to 1Ls, because coming in, not having any background in the law or family in the law, I definitely thought it was very important to kind of dismantle the whisper networks that were at the school and kind of be that person based off of the mentors that I had that were that person to me, and kind of pass it forward in that way. Another goal that I had for coming to YLS was just kind of figure myself out a little bit more, figure out what I wanted to do, who I wanted to be. And I found that YLS has been a very great place to do that, just being able to explore the different classes, being able to be involved in the clinic, being able to be involved in journals, and all these things that I didn't even have a conception of before coming to law school, of what they were or what that was like. And I've loved being able to just dip my hand into a bunch of different pots to kind of see what works.